Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
We're going to hike. We're in Yanchep. Look at the kangaroos. Yeah. So, una po namin gagawin, punta kami sa visitor center para mag-sign in. Kasi delikado pong gagawin namin eh. No? Pwede po kami maligaw. Pupunta kami sa ghost house po. Ghost house. Maganda dun, ghost house. Yeah, green, the green one. Alright, so we're just signing in. What's the date again? 21? 21 of these 6. We're going to hike the ghost house. Okay, it is a 12.5 kilometers walk, and according to the lady, it's dangerous because it's full of ghosts. But you know, we are very positive and we can do this. Okay, and kapag naligaw kami ay tawagan nyo na lang ho ang aming tour guide. Ito po, si Lester. Alright, sige po. Ito kami, oh. The black team. Elevation na po kami. Paakyat na.
The thing is hiking, if you enjoy it, you don't feel like the thing.
Kain muna po tayo. So, kami po ay pabalik na. It's the road. Hi. We've been walking for good what? 2.5, maybe 3 hours. Whew. That's good. That is good walking. And alright, so we finished walking now. We're having coffee. Okay, so salamat po sa inyong panonood. Just like and subscribe. And we'll see you again. So bye, Les.
Bye-bye.
Ayan, si Atsuri, si Michian, si Ate Adenine. Glow up po to in 6 weeks. So yeah.